Honestly, I spent about 4 days editing this video. No excuse for that other than just not feeling inspired, and I do apologize for that. But here goes. Alrighty guys, so we are back here the next day. I just managed to get the 3 bolts out that hold the doohickeys in. I don't know what that is. Regardless, now I can drop the oil pan and then get that tapped for the return. So hopefully I have a socket that's long enough to get to those, otherwise we're gonna be running to the store. And also, PB Blaster is everywhere. Yuck. Stinks. Cool. Alrighty, I will check in with you guys when this is down. Well, the build is officially on hold for a few days. Got the oil pan off, as you can see. Drilled it right here. Not the best hole, but it works. Didn't even have the right drill bit size, but I made it work. Alrighty, so I need an oil return fitting. Things are looking okay, but that's all we're gonna do for today. Alrighty guys, so that's all I'm gonna be doing for today. I'm fucking exhausted. Gonna have to order another oil return line fitting, and I'm gonna order the oil return line while I'm at it because I'd just rather have a nice one. I'm going to put the fitting on the oil pan gasket and get that back up on the car, and I will check in with you guys in the next couple days. All right, y'all. See ya. Peace.